Welcome to Exotic Spice. Let's cook. Today I will show you how to make spaghetti. Starting with 2 pounds of minced chicken or beef, 3.5 cups of crushed tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of mushroom sauce, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 chilies thinly chopped or 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of pepper, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 cup of broccoli thinly cut, 5 mushrooms chopped, half cup of cilantro chopped, 1.5 green peppers chopped, 1.5 red peppers chopped. After turning on your stove, on a non-stick pot, pour in oil, then garlic. Let it fry until a nicely golden brown. Then add minced chicken, pepper, chili, lemon juice, oyster sauce, and mushroom sauce, and salt. Mix it evenly and put the lid on. Let it cook for 3 minutes, occasionally stirring as you go. Now add broccoli, green pepper, and red pepper. Stir, then add mushroom and mix well. Put lid and cook for 7 minutes, again occasionally stirring so that it's cooking evenly. Then add tomato sauce and mix well. Put lid on and lower your stove a bit to cook evenly for 2 minutes. Now add cilantro, mix, and turn off the stove. Let the pot sit on the stove to simmer down as it cools, and serve whenever you're ready. I hope you and your family will enjoy this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe for updates, like to share, and comment on your thoughts of the recipe. See you soon with another recipe. Until then, you have a wonderful day.